Swim? Ah. To play with the wiggly?
Yeah.
Come sit in the pool with Trey. You want to run in? Are you running into the pool, Trey? Ready, run! Ella's gonna run too. Are you ready? And go! Here, let's pop this part up. Splash, splash, splash! Yay! Well, you got grass on your belly, buddy. Go, Trey, run! You're okay. Ready, run! Whoop! He's slip and slide. Oh, yay, buddies!
Okay, Mom!
Aww, hugs. Hugs.
He's all gonna get you. Whoopsies.
Two little kids are going to take a good nap today.
I hope so. I could use a nap too.
Yeah.
Paw down. Trey's like, I can't get in. You two wild kids.
Crazy kids. Boing! Oh!
Face plant. Oh boy.
What did Mom? I'm laughing.
She's all, oh.
You got it in your...
You okay?
Did you see her face when she came up? She's like, whoa. Did you get your
I
nose
got it
wet?
on my nose.
You got water in your nose? It's all gone.
Father.
Yep, it's water. It's fun.